This is a video about a beautiful natural place called Nrsimhnath, and here you will see Nrsimhnath temple and a beautiful mountain trekking place, beautiful streams, and a natural habitat where different animals are there, and also one Ayurvedic hospital is there, which is very helpful for treating different kinds of ailments. So we'll start here. So this is the entire map which you can use to go there. Different temples are available. Okay, so this is the place where you can see there is an entrance to the main temple, which is present near Pike Mall, Bargarh district. This is the entrance to the temple, main temple. Here people can take bath and have darshan of Lord Lord Narasimha. So you can go through the steps. You can go to the steps, which is the steps goes to Kali temple, which is present at the top of a mountain. And here this is the main temple. Nrsimhanath ji sits here and gives darshan to the Lord, to the devotees. Here different art is there for Ganesha, bulls. Beautiful temple it is. Okay, and if you travel to the main mountain, you can see the stream from a distance place. Okay, this is a road made up of made by government of Odisha. Here you can see a next what is the depth of the place, and step is also made for the travelers. Here you can see the stream. This stream is very beautiful, and you can drink this water. This is pure water, and a lot of minerals are also there. And then you can see this stream. People are taking bath over there. It is coming from the mountain top. You can go very lot of distance. You have to travel to reach to the main point, main stream. You see, this is the pure water. You can drink this water. Very nice mineral water. You can see this is so beautiful. This from the top you can see that mountain, from mountain water is coming. Okay, so this is the stream from distance place. Beautiful plants and natural habitat is so nice. People make trekking over there. People go there happily. You will not feel any tiredness by doing there. Here you can see this is a stream, the same water coming from there. Okay, you can see monkeys are there, and now we will see one college. This is Ayurvedic college, which is a very nice college, and having the capacity to treat different diseases. Here you can see this is I think canteen, temporary canteen is there. You can have food there, very nice food. This college name is Sri Nrsimhanath Ayurvedic College and Research Institute. Here students make the degree of BA MS Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. They are celebrating Ayurvedic Shiksha Sadan. This is Ayurvedic Shiksha where classes are taken. This is a pharmacist Here you can get all medicines. They are distributing Ayush cloth freely. This is the medicine shop for Ayurvedic medicines. You can get medicines here. Then this is the reception where you can make registration for your patient. This is Krupa Sindhu Bhoi, who has established this college and initiated by Sri Janakri Vallabh Patnaik in 1983. This is the road from Paikmal to this Ayurvedic college. This is Nrsimhanath Ayurvedic college by Krupa Sindhu. Here you can get Panchakarma Chikitsa. Here all kinds of facilities are there, like operation you can also do here, like piles, fistula, all operations they are doing. Not all these piles and fistulas they are doing currently, but in future different kinds of operations they are going to do. For there can also C sections, all these things are coming. Here you can heat up they heat up the oil and massage over the body. Different paralysis patient and arthritis patient, all kinds of patients are there and taking benefit. Here you can take the help of Ayurvedic massage like Panchakarma Chikitsa, where your disease will be cured, not like suppressing the disease like allopathy, but treatment is there, proper treatment. Operation theatre I was telling just now, Kriya Kalpa unit is there. Operation theatre is also there for piles and fistulas, all these things. Now you can see monkeys are also there in this place. These monkeys are very funny. They take away articles of people and enjoy with their life. People make fun, take photos of these monkeys. Okay, nice place. I also enjoyed a lot. I stayed there 4 to 5 days. Actually, in Ayurvedic hospital, if you want to stay, if you want to get treatment, you need to stay minimum 5 to 10 days. Then only the benefit will be better. This is a temple. Small temples are also there nearby. Sri Nrsimhanath temple. We can see one Samleshwari temple. This is also a small temple, Kalsi temple it is called. This is Samleshwari temple. Small temples are there. Different communities have developed different temples. This is beautiful pictures of Panchu Pandav, Chaldhar. Okay, that big stream that we have seen just before this. Here the main entrance to, and different beautiful arts they have done of for Mahabharat. Bhishma Sajja is there, then Chakravyu Darshan is there. This is Mahabharata, different important Mahabharata epics, killing of Asuras by Arjuna with the directions of Krishna. Nice mountains, lot of beautiful views. See here, tourists are taking photos, pose of Bahubali. Here the main lion gate is there, through which you can go to the main temple. There is Nrsimha temple. People make fun with these monkeys. They keep something. This is a nice place. Okay. Then you can see this stream where people take bath. And here you can see beautiful art has been done for Ganesha. Big art is done through the rock of the mountains. Then This is Lord Vishnu and Lord Brahma. Their art is done. It is a big art. So very nice water. This water itself will cure you. Very nice place.